everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a small unboxing for you guys. It is something that I purchased from Chanel and it's from their 21S collection. And side note, is it just me or is it so hard to get your hands on anything in this collection? But yeah, anyways, I picked up something small from this collection, and because I just bought this, there actually is something in my collection that I will be selling, and I'll get to that in a little bit, but you guys are probably here for the unboxing, so let's see what I got. Okay, so as you can tell, this is looking a little bit different than what you just saw in the intro. And the reason is I unboxed this and then I realized that I was not recording. But yeah, anyways, inside this tiny little box, which I think that Chanel is running low on their boxes. I think some people aren't getting boxes with their orders. So I'm very happy that I got this box with what I purchased. And like you can see, this is just something small and it is an SOG that I had mentioned wanting in a previous video. So I was just waiting for it to come out in a color that I liked before I got it. And I think this is it. So in here we have this cute little flat card holder in this really pretty light pink color. I think it has a little bit of a hint of lilac in it. It's one of the many different colors of pink that they released for their 21S collection. And yeah, so basically I had wanted one of these flat card holders in this Chanel 19 style for a while now. I had seen the Chanel 19 bags in stores maybe half a year ago, I want to say. And even though I really like this really big antique gold CC logo on it, I really like the bigger quilts, I just couldn't see myself getting that bag, even if it costs a lot less. I don't think I would buy it even then. It's just too unstructured for my liking. I typically like very structured bags. Like the Lady Dior is one of my favorite bags. I really like the classic flap with the double flap, even though some people find that it's a little bit annoying. I like that it adds structure to the bag. So I could not see myself ever getting the Chanel 19 bag, but I really like the logo. So I decided that I would get a card holder in this style. And at first I wanted to get this card holder in the metallic silver color, but when I did a little bit more research into metallic leather, I found out that if you were to scuff up the leather, you couldn't actually repair it because the metallic finish is just applied to the top, and it's not like when you dye the leather a certain color. So yeah, I didn't think that it would be the best material for any type of SLG that is getting tossed around your bags. Even if I am very careful about it, it's bound to get scuffed around the corners and that type of thing. So yeah, I was just waiting for it to come out in a color that I really liked. And when I saw this, I kind of knew that this was the color that I want. I really like pinks, even though blue is my favorite color, but I also really like pinks. And this card holder is, you know, your typical flat card holder from Chanel. Aside from the logo and the very exaggerated big quilts, you do have this one slip pocket in the front, you have the two in the back, and then there's this one compartment in the center. And this card holder is made in Spain and it is the 31 series. So yeah, this is my newest pretty baby pink card holder. So as I mentioned, because I just added that pink card holder to my collection, there is something else that I currently have that I will be letting go of and selling, because I don't think it's necessary for me to have multiple SLGs in the same type of format. I mentioned this in one of my previous videos where I talked about luxury items that you only need one of in your collection, that SLGs in general is one of those things that I think you only need, for example, one card holder, one cosmetic case, and one wallet and that type of thing, and that's more than enough. So because I now have that pink card holder, I will be letting go of this turquoise one that I have here. It is quite similar to the Tiffany blue color. It is a little bit different. It's a slight bit darker, and I would say has a tiny bit more of a hint of green in it. I'll show a comparison of the two colors side by side a little bit later on. But this is in lambskin with silver hardware, and I believe it was part of the 15A collection, but don't quote me on that. So yeah, I've had this for a while, but I've kept it in really good condition. So there is a little bit of wear on the four corners, which I think is expected. So the bottom two corners is a little bit darker because I guess, you know, it's sitting in my bag like this. The top two corners is honestly not that bad at all. I would say that the biggest wear and tear is on the credit card slot. So especially on the back over here, this top one, there is this line that goes across from where my credit card would sit. This bottom slot in the back is honestly, I don't really see any lines on it. And then the front one over here, there is kind of a line across too, but yeah, not as bad as this one in the back. So yeah, overall, I think I kept this in really good condition and there's still a lot of life left in it. So this is, let's see, it's made in Italy and it's the 21 series. And I still have the authenticity card for this card holder, but I don't have the dust bag or the box anymore. So yeah, that's kind of all the information on the card holder. So to compare it with the Tiffany blue color, I know that Chanel does a lot of colors that people think are very similar to the Tiffany blue color. I don't have any of those to compare it to, but I do have a wallet from Tiffany's, and I think this is their signature color, I'm assuming. So you can see the one from Tiffany's is a little bit lighter, and yeah, it's a little bit bluer in comparison to this turquoise card holder from Chanel. But yeah, if you're not comparing them side by side, they are pretty similar. So yeah, if you're interested in this card holder, I'll leave the details to purchasing it in the description box below. So that is it for this little unboxing video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you've purchased anything or if you're thinking about purchasing anything from the Chanel 21S collection. And also let me know your thoughts on the Chanel 19 bag. Do you like it? Do you not? And if you don't like the bag, do you feel differently about the SLGs with that kind of same type of CC logo? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for new videos every single week. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.